It's a conference meeting.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, also to our two lovely visitors. Okay, to introduce to us about sa kalang kuan karon. Kana init kaayo. Ako na yung madawat na din siguro na naman ang sweldo no. So ang 7K na din siguro. Basta deadline ana dapat mag-upload August 21 man. So, to give us more information about health insurances, para ma-differentiate din nato kung sa itong piniliwan, ang individual or ang group. Okay, so please help me welcome Ma'am Juby Montisillo, retired teacher, early retirement from DepEd. Okay, makadato din nato sa insurance ba? Si Ma'am Juby Montisillo, and also together with her,